Hey guys, welcome back to the King's family. It's Lazaria. So today I'm going to be eating some grits, sausage, eggs, and a sausage biscuit and some Kool-Aid. And we got Paige.
Hello guys, it's your Easter Girl Paige. Welcome back to our channel. And today is a big thumbs up.
And like, comment, and subscribe.
And subscribe and hit that notification.
Okay, now let's eat.
Here. Guys, look
Now
at
I can't see here. I can see it.
yeah.
Come over here.
Okay.
Scooch up right there.
So guys, we was trying to switch me over. So I can see y'all. So y'all, look at I got.
Okay, eat.
Eggs, sausage, grits, and biscuits. I only have one biscuit because
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
I hate all of paper.
Okay, eat.
Make it scrunchy. You're not changing my stuff.
Quiet, Paige. No, I'm fine now. We can get it. I can get it.
Não foi de ir. Não foi de ir.
Yeah.
And you gonna eat. Hey, stop.
It's crunchy.
What's doing all that?
It's crunchy.
Don't mean you got to throw up, man.
Nobody don't